Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria riboti ya kiama kia athurimi a mathabu bururi-ini ICPAK igie uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi ministry-ini. Muikariri giti wa kiama giki Profesa Elizabeth Kalunda augite ihinda ni ikinyu a Kenya kwambiriria kuona ciiko igitacukio kuringana na mendekithia ma riboti ciao, niguo gutigirira aria othe mekuruhanagia na ungumania wa kigina kia muingi ni matacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
My call for action will be what is the next step, and the next step should be the implementation of the audit recommendations. There should be actually a framework where it is a mandatory need for that implementation. We need to have call for actions in terms of who are these professionals who are preparing the books, and definitely knowing that they are CPAs and majority from the reports are qualified and in good standing, then it means we need to address the root cause.
ICPAK ithingatite bunge ya bururi kuhanyuka kuumba watho wa gutariria uria mendekithia ma riboti cia athurimi a mathabu ma thirikari irerutithagio wira. Kuona kwaga uguo riboti ici guthii na mbere kuumbwo ni rukungu cikaro-ini cia bunge na mawabici-ini mangi maria mabatie kwirutithia wira.
We need legislative reforms so that we can have that teeth that actually does bite, because we are there to protect the resources of the public. Otherwise, without certain changes, we will continue having these reports launched year after year. The Auditor General will continue having the same report. Senate will continue repeating this routine. But at the end of the day, it is the citizen who suffers. It is the taxpayer who will be suffering.
Riboti ino ya ICPAK imurikite cia muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari cia miaka itatu ya kigina kuma mwaka wa 2020 na 2021 nginya mwaka wa 2022 na 2023 kuria kuruhanitie kihiri kia mihinga iria tuire icokeraga mathabu-ini mothe ma thirikari nginya mwaka wa 2022 na 2023 kuria kuruhanitie kihiri kia mihinga iria tuire icokeraga mathabu-ini ma thirikari ta uhuthiri muru wa kigina kia muingi, kwaga kurumirira mitaratara iria yagiriire hari uhuthiri wa kigina kia muingi hamwe na mangi.
We have incomplete asset registers, we have unsupported expenditures, we have outstanding interest, we have weak internal controls, the wage bill on the pending bills keeps increasing, even doubling, and the same excuses still come, the unqualified opinion. And I believe that the reason could be because there are no consequences.
Muthianiriro wa mathire ni undu ungi ICPAK igwetete ta ugwati munene hari uramati wa kigina kia muingi, kuona gutikoragwo na gitumi kiiganu kia mathire maya guthii na mbere kuongerereka ta uria mongererekete kuma bilioni 72.3 mwaka-ini wa 2020 nginya ciringi bilioni 130.8 mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2023.
It actually means that every day 300 million of suppliers to the government are not paid, and this has a lot of bad consequences in the economy. Again, looking at that, it's actually 131 million. If that money would have been used in circulation, in a way it means that if the person had supplied medical supplies, that means that people will die in hospital because there's no medicine.
Wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari Nancy Gathungu, murugamiriri wa bajeti ya bururi Margaret Nyakang'o undu umwe na kamiti ya kuhurana na gukumio bururi-ini EACC onacio ni itariirie kunyita mbaru mendekithia maya ta gukorwo ari o njira huthu na ya naihenya ya kung'ethanira na ungumania wa kigina kia muingi. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.